In this video, I'll be showing you how to make sense of your quote. We provide as much information as possible on every quote so you can make the most informed decisions quickly. We'll get started by going into the detailed quote. I showed different ways to get here in another video. Let's start at the top. The price here is always going to start off as FOB, and there may be price breaks at higher quantities. Here's the MOQ and any additional costs that this product may have, like tooling or certification costs. These are sometimes refundable. Next, you see how long the quote is valid for before we have to requote it. You'll see the product details and the special terms. The special terms are where we'd include things like packaging information, card insert information, packaging design files, and any charges they may incur. This sticks with your quote, so you don't have to tell us this information every time you reorder.